I'm sure you heard the news na stroke si Arnold Clavio. Pag-usapan natin ang nangyari sa kanya. Nakarinig ka na ba na may na-stroke? May kakilala ka bang na-stroke? So let's talk about hemorrhagic stroke. It happens when a blood vessel bursts inside your brain. This bleeding is kinda the same pagbaha dito sa Metro Manila. Pag malakas yung ulan, ang bilis bumaha dahil laging barado yung kanal, causing water to overflow and flood the streets. If baha, lahat tayo damay. Sobrang traffic, may blackout, at ang hirap mag-function yung city. In hemorrhagic stroke, the broken blood vessel is like the overflowing drain, and the blood acts like the flood water, putting pressure on nearby areas of the brain which have specific functions for the body and preventing oxygen to be distributed throughout the brain. This is a serious condition that needs immediate medical attention to avoid permanent brain damage or even death. Just like certain things increase the risk of flooding in Metro Manila, like Barado Canal